Hello, my name is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I would like to share a tech tip video with you about how to pause receiving leads from your team within Command. Currently, rainmakers of teams have a way to automatically distribute leads to their team members through something called lead routing in Command. The rainmaker sets up the route, and then you, the team member, will be notified through Command or your Command app when a lead is routed to you. You'll have a particular set of time frame that you'll need to either claim that lead or pass on that lead. If you pass on the lead or miss the deadline, the lead goes to the next agent in line, depending on how the rainmaker set it up. Let's say you need to pause on that. Maybe you're going on vacation or you will be out of the office and have an appointment. You can come into your command and actually pause from receiving any leads. This takes you out of the lead routing cycle for a certain period of time. Let me show you how to do that. First, you'll sign into Command and you'll want to make sure that you're on your team account. So in the top right-hand corner, click your name and choose your team account. From there, go to your Contacts tab. Over here on the left, second icon down. And now you should see Pause Lead Assignment. Choose this option. From here, you have a few choices of how long you will be pausing yourself and not receive any leads being routed by your team. You can do it for 1 hour, 3 hours, and if you choose either one of these options and click apply, that time starts then, right when you click apply, and then right after the time frame is up, after the 1 hour or the 3 hours, the system will automatically put your name back into lead routing and you should begin seeing leads funnel through to you from your team. Or you can choose the third option. It's to set up a specific date and time. So you can choose the day. Let's say you're actually going to be on vacation until this Monday. And so we'll choose Monday as the date. Let me try that again. For some reason, it's not letting me choose up until next week. So we'll go through here. Let's just do through Sunday. So we'll say we'll be out of town until Sunday. And then for the time, you can say up until 8 p.m. that night, I will not be available to receive any leads. So I want to pause and take myself out of lead routing until this particular date at this particular time. Once you click apply, your name will be withdrawn from lead routing. And then once that time comes and goes, let's say 8:01 on February 9th, the system will automatically activate you again for lead routing and you will be available to receive leads from your team again. Again, make sure to click that apply button after whichever choice you choose. If you have any questions about this or anything else to do with your KW platforms, please feel free to reach out to us via email. It's support@scottleroymarketing.com and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.